How to clear watch history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to clear watch history on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then, once you are in your profile, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then, click on Settings and Privacy and scroll down until you can see the Content and Activity section. Once you are in the Content and Activity section, go to Watch History right here. So click on Watch History and then wait for it to load. Once you're in your Watch History, what you're going to do is to click on Select found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Select and then you may click on Select All Watch History, or you may also click on the individual videos right here. So you may click on it like this one or click on select all watch history found on the lower left corner of the screen. Once you have done that, do take note that once you clear your watch history, it will not be recovered once you have made it. So make sure to choose the videos that you have to clear carefully. So click on clear found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then that's it. That's how you can clear watch history on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.